There is a moment in life when everything you planned falls apart, where everything just feels stuck. You look around and wonder. You sit there, still, silent, wondering how it all slipped through your fingers. Maybe it was a dream that didn't take off, a relationship that broke you, a business that crumbled, a goal you missed. You had dreams, you had plans, but something happened, a wrong turn, a closed door, a fall so hard it knocked the wind out of your purpose. And in that moment, it feels like the end. And you wonder, is this really where I am supposed to be? And now you're here, on the ground, wounded, tired, defeated. But I need you to hear this. You're not done. It's not the end. It's not over. It is the beginning of your comeback. You see, life isn't about always getting it right. It's about getting back up when you have been knocked down. Every successful person you are admiring has one thing in common. They failed. They were rejected, fired, broke, heartbroken, humiliated, misunderstood. But what set them apart wasn't talent. It was the refusal to stay down. Falling is not the end of your story. It's part of the process. It's how the strongest people are forged. Do you really think greatness is built on comfort or on perfection? No, it's built on comeback. Think of the seed buried on the ground. It looks dead, but it is not. It's been prepared for growth. It is in the dark, but something powerful is happening underneath. That's you right now. You are not buried, you are planted. So here's the truth. Setbacks are setups for growth. They are not punishments, they are preparation. They humble you, sharpen you, stretch you, teach you. You learn patience, you learn grit, you learn to build. Maybe life didn't go as planned. That's okay. Yes, plans change, but your power, your potential, your purpose, that has not gone anywhere. It is still here, waiting for you to rise again. Let's break this down. How do you pick yourself up after a setback? 1. Feel the fall, but don't pitch a tent there. It's okay to cry, to grieve, to feel, but don't stay there forever. Acknowledge the pain, then get up and move forward. Not everything goes your way. That's life. But what breaks you is not the fall. It's your refusal to accept it and learn. You don't have to learn it, but you have to face it. 2. Learn from the fall. Ask yourself, what did I learn from the fall? Every failure carries a lesson. Maybe it showed you who your real friends are. Maybe it revealed what wasn't meant for you. Maybe it taught you how much more you are capable of. Clean your space. Write down a goal. Text someone you trust. The first step out of rock bottom isn't dramatic. It's consistent. 3. Reframe the fall. Pick yourself up. Get back in touch with who you really are, not what the world told you to be. When life knocks you down, it stripes away the noise so you can finally hear your soul speak. Don't say, I lost everything. Say, I am about to rebuild, stronger, smarter, wiser. And yes, it's okay to start small. Sometimes picking yourself up looks like making your bed, sending that one email, putting on your shoes and taking that walk. That's not weakness, that's progress. That's you saying, I am not done yet. It means forgiving yourself for past mistakes. It means no longer measuring your worth by one moment of failure. You are more than what went wrong. You are more than that loss, the breakdown, that missed opportunity. Picking yourself up means I am not staying down, not like this, not anymore, not forever. You have to remember that your story is not over. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. Every scar will be your testimony. Every fall will be your rise. And one day, someone else will need to hear your story. They will be in a dark place, and your comeback will be their light. You know who you are. You have overcome things that should have broken you. You have cried alone and still showed up for others. You have been in the fire and came out carrying wisdom. That's not weakness, that's strength in disguise. Picking yourself up isn't about going back to where you were, it's about becoming who you are meant to be. That version of you, the one who is wiser, calmer, more focused, and more faithful, that version is on the other side of this moment. The comeback story, it's already inside you. It is waiting for your permission. It's waiting for you to say, yes, I am ready. Not ready to be perfect, not ready to have it all figured out, just ready to take the next right step. Let this be your turning point, not in 5 years, but today. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait to feel 100% ready. Start where you are with what you have. It's okay if you feel fear, but fear doesn't get the final word. Faith does. It's okay if you are falling apart, but now is the time to get up. Wipe your tears, breathe deep, and walk, even if it's slow, even if it's hot, even if your voice trembles. Walk anyway. You have come too far to quit here. You have learned too much to give up now. This moment, this setback, it's not your sentence, it's your setup. A setup for clarity, for growth, for strength, for destiny. And one day, you will look back and say, that was the moment, that was the chapter that almost broke me, but it also became the beginning of everything. So, to anyone listening, pick up yourself, dust off the doubt, rebuild with purpose, because you are not your failure, you are not your past, you are a fighter, a riser, a vision in motion. You will be unshakable. Pick yourself up. You have got more in you than you know. The world hasn't seen your best yet. This is your moment.